G'day, it's Andrew here from Australian Bee Supplies. We're going to do a little bit of problem solving and how to install honey gates. So we've got different types of honey gates. We've got plastic ones which come undone and they've got a little O-ring there. You can see that right there. So that O-ring is what actually seals it up with the bucket. Then we've got stainless steel ones. These are a totally superior honey gate. Also have an O-ring. And then we have these fancy ones, which are much easier to use, but also effectively double the price. So they go up and down like that, and much easier to use, especially when you're bottling. Okay, so installing one of these, you'll need a 44mm hole saw. If you don't have a hole, if you do have a hole, it'll be 44. This goes in here, like that. Then we tighten it on the back. Usually about 1-2 extra turns over finger tight is sufficient. So you gotta be careful that this seal just there doesn't crimp. If it crimps, it will leak. Now the other issue we've seen is with a lot of these honey gates, what happens is there's a sweet spot when you actually tighten these two screws. So if one is over tightened and the other one is under tightened, it can actually have a slight leak. So there is actually a sweet spot which you've got to figure out, and it doesn't have to be both as tight as possible. It'll be probably about 80-90% tight, and then that seal or that O-ring there's an O-ring there that will actually seal it. So if you've got a little bit of a problem with it leaking, you just need to figure out the tension between those two screws. With stainless steel, same scenario, we pop it in, usually a little bit harder, but these will last effectively forever. Bang, tighten, and then we've got the same scenario. We've got an O-ring in here, and then we've got two screws which need to be tightened to that, as we call it, that sweet spot. Otherwise it can leak. With these, same scenario, we pop it in like that, come on, and tighten it at the back. Tighty, and off we go. So that's effectively how we tighten and how we put our honey gates in. Remember that those sweet spots are really crucial. If you've got any problems with them, give us a call and we can replace them for you. But that's all there is to it. Cheers.